Michelle for Rocket Yard. We've already discussed SoftRAID and briefly talked about the advantages of using SoftRAID over hardware RAID. Today, we are going to go more in depth on some of the key differences of why you would want to use SoftRAID. So you might be wondering, what is the best solution, SoftRAID or hardware RAID? If you're purchasing your first RAID solution and your storage needs are not that sizable, you can start out with a dual bay hardware RAID. The OWC Mercury Elite Pro dual bay lineup is perfect for this. With hardware RAID, you have the advantage of the RAID being self-contained with a controller and management built in. But the downside to this is the hardware will eventually become obsolete. As newer and more powerful computers and operating systems are released, your hardware becomes slower because it's unable to take full advantage of newer technologies. Eventually, your hardware becomes a bottleneck for your data. With SoftRAID, you are not locked into any specific hardware for your data to be accessible. As long as you can install SoftRAID, you simply remove your drives, add them to a new enclosure, and continue working. SoftRAID also gives you portability in the sense that the RAID travels with the bare drives themselves, not the enclosure. SoftRAID is the software that manages all of the OWC Thunder Bay enclosures. Also, as its name implies, SoftRAID is software, which means the OWC software teams are constantly updating the application to take advantage of new technologies and operating systems when they become available. In turn, you are also able to upgrade your RAID enclosure to take advantage of faster computers and port speeds. When you do move your RAID to a new enclosure and computer, you can continue to use SoftRAID to manage your data, monitor your disks, and protect your work. When it comes to managing RAID, you need to check out SoftRAID. It's versatile, easy to use, more compatible, and rock-solid reliable with added data monitoring so you are always protected. I'm Michelle for Rocket Yard. Thank you for watching. If you thought this video was helpful, you can like and subscribe below. And if you're looking for more in-depth coverage of all things tech, check out our Rocket Yard blog at rocketyard.com.